Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Osha Mahama beteki akunya wadada Ghana for. And then when you raise it, people will say, oh, na so buy che ye money time, ye money. Matma mechanism. There's no time for someone to be sincere or truthful to the people. Osi yentu abama ube kipi teacher and nursing training allowance. Yato abama wa osi wetwem. Osi ye ma wo time. Time bembi. Na yenko eye BC ana JHS ebia ye wanuan bibiu ewo so a ye ka BC na won entiase a yenuan nkuma won free primary school akọ eye junior high school before a wobekọ eye SHS no wo tro eye nsohwe ana obroni beka no exams is being conducted by WAEC. Exams na ye nuanom nkola na won betro de akọ eye secondary school no eye examination body be a friend of WAEC, West African Examination Council. One organize exams. Now WAEC is made up of 4 English speaking countries in West Africa: Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, and the Gambia. And a exams. Yewo app isu a yekɔ school Ghana obia etruobi yemre so na yeya na yetua eye registration fee into ubetua eye school fees ansa na wasan yetua eye registration fee no kofo MPP buy a kofo ana ode MPP buy no kofo de basic school no obeye ni free intina untua eye school fees ne momu no edu exams fee no so dia WAEC no because of say private in no na ubetua na nado ebaye no obe capture no de beka free education no say now free education no it should be up to secondary school, meaning that akwala bi o Ghana bia anko school krampo no at least secondary school there SSO ye den oko na nado take office on the 7th January 2017. The same year, on Ghana Nkwala Eco School free, including a yes BC fee year can and wasem. As at that time, no not BC registration, there is 77 Ghana cedis per child. That was 2017. Now, Mijampo Akko 2023-2024. WAEC increase fee by 178% in 2024. Intina fee no ebaya bedu 214 from 77 Ghana cedis to 214 in 2023. Na oshe eye 2023 a school nkwala awie government school ewo Ghana ananado efa wo ho ka metwa 2017 egu 2018 egu 2019 egu 2020 up to 2022 even 2023 per the data that I have school nkwala trying 600 over 600,000 and a now multiply 214 Ghana cedis by 600,000 students. And then let's tell Ghanaians, abaya nitimo odin oye widini efasa ekawe. Koko uraba, banchi uraba, bidie uraba, entuyasa ekano. That's the amount of money our government etuayu in 2023. In 2024, a call 328 Ghana cedis per student. Na school nkwala etroye 569,095 students from the government schools. na ɛyɛ mmarima yɛ 282,648 ana mmaa yɛ 286,447 ana ɛtwerɛ in 19,506 schools aban no tua saa ɛka wei nyinaa mahama aba onyankopɔn ɛnto ne nkwanam no ohu sɛnea ɔba bɛsɛe ɔman no ɔbaeɛ no ɔse look Akufo-Addo sɛnea Kevin Taylor kaeɛ no Akufo-Addo na asosɔ Ghanafoɔ so ana bibia free bibia mɛyɛ amam bibia we saa nsɛmfo no me deɛ me nsoso so nti awofo bi mbetua 550 Ghana cedis nti WAEC sika na ɔgye no 550 Ghana cedis no ɛnyɛ no nkwa ne sika wɔn betua o if sɛ awofo ni nim a mɛka kyerɛ Ghana awofo sɛ per student bia no they should make a budget of net less than 720 Ghana cedis. 550 Ghana cedis straight to WAEC. Now, apart from paying the fee to WAEC, there are other minor fee be called the district because they have something called the district mock. One petrol before a year exams, yeah. And then the district mock no one throw me and say abino efamu mienu na parent afamu baako. Me say for the past 5 years, baby I'm me GHS. Me na mitua sa e kani na ema won. Tizi amejai. Me jebi. Me de go on mu amamema. Now, sa e ka mienu na abine fan mpacho eno so si ontua o. Enti awofo no are now going to pay. And no ohwe sika no ontua na the minimum amount of money akwala bia ebetua no 76 Ghana cedis. And we are no so free on ma there are some teachers incentive for yibia and also na Akufo-Addo aban na assign tuama teachers no. Na sa de ni nyina eba be free. So every parent bia oba ewo school bia okwa aban school ewo Ghana make a budget of not less than 720 Ghana cedis per obano. We ana yese yepe. Now, say BEC for na etro we are, then I will not even talk about SSE. Now, unim ayana one of the way to confirm say o policy be no obetumi ato de atunsu. Now, watch how people receive their policy. In the ABA and this aban asheda test so okay yen kase yen tia ne hwe ne amanfo be yeden ebeka nti amanfo ankasa de a then yamon wetwa won ekasa de a we will come back and say that oh yen na yekan so enso yekan no wa say sa de fine ne mom say enye sa na so be gina so say awofo entua de a ene yen ankasa obia jejereje adi ba ko a na eya wo man no message adu mi we mfida. There's one particular lady I know or team me fiechi. Catch them and say time and Mahama was not to me the 20 Ghana cedis a year jollof. Yabobo abana NDC ewini and me fear nim. Abai way saya jubilati ya no offend na for na way. O enkwala mi ni sebi tafache. Niku ewu aye den ejan. Enkura ni esusa. Now, sisi enkura ni school krampo won to me nyeden. Enkobi. Now this lady is seeking for help. Not from any other person than me or sign ebesa eyi mehi. Assuming that this woman neba ewo JHS anka eda na ujiri say ABC. Good. This is the reason why na ye catch Ghana for say We shouldn't make mistake. But Ghanaians were like, you better punish Nanado. Oh, punishing him. Oh, punishing him. Nanado Baben or control BC. Nanado Baben or secondary school. But we went ahead and then we voted against NPP. And then those are they won't even say NDC is not an option. They sat at home. Bibia and can't say one and Kotwaba. Whether what nephew or aunt nephew, a cana bani in a bed, ye babitia. Now say if say one to me and 720 Ghana cedis, Ama Uba and control BC. The only way your ward can go to secondary school, TVET or any technical school is by writing the BC. Even if Muhammad doesn't cancel the free SHS, when Juniors came to idea, count yourself out. But all the same, Senia Okayano say, oh, ma mi numiensa, ewo hodia, you multiply 720 by 2 or 3. Now, for one who say, oh, hardship now a company, you know. Titi and a few so, and I still, and so, also.